Good morning, children. Let us start a new lesson in Hindi today. It is called Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa. पाठ का परिचय. So what is the introduction of this? इस पाठ में गुड़ी पड़वा पर्व को मनाने की प्राचीन मान्यताएं, पर्व का महत्व तथा उसे मनाने की विधि बताई गई है. Means this Gudi Padwa means it is a festival. Parva means festival. It's a festival celebrated by everybody. And how is it connected to the ancient history? All that things are explained here in this lesson. Parva ka mahatva, what is the importance of that? Tata use manane ki vidhi, and how to celebrate that. What are the ways you have to celebrate? Everything is explained in this lesson. पाठ का उद्देश्य, what is the objective of this lesson? पर्वों से जुड़ी प्राचीन मान्यताओं से अवगत कराना तथा पर्वों के संदेश को अपनाने के लिए प्रेरित करना. So you should know the history of this festival, why it is celebrated, and you should also follow that. So you should also celebrate this festival. That is the objective of it. Now let us see what is happening here. I'll just read it for you first, then afterwards I'll explain. Hyderabad, 26 June 2018, 2018. Okay, so 26 is what? 26 June 2018. Priya Saki Abha. So it is a letter written to a friend called Abha. Her name is Abha. So one friend is writing to the friend called Abha. Tumhara patra mila. So she is saying that already I have got your letter. Okay, I'll read it first. तुम्हारा पत्र मिला, यह जानकर अच्छा लगा कि तुम गुड़ी पड़वा पर्व के बारे में जानना चाहती हो. इस पत्र में मैं गुड़ी पड़वा के बारे में विस्तार से लिख रही हूँ. गुड़ी का अर्थ है ध्वज या पताका और पड़वा का अर्थ है तिथि है. गुड़ी पड़वा चैत्र मास की शुक्ल प्रतिपदा को मनाया जाता है. ऐसी मान्यता है कि ब्रह्मा जी ने इसी दिन सृष्टि की रचना आरंभ की थी. गुड़ी पड़वा आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटक और महाराष्ट्र का लोकप्रिय पर्व है. इसी पर्व के साथ हिंदू नववर्ष की शुरुआत होती है. इसे वर्ष प्रतिपदा, उगादि, नव संवत्सर और युगादि भी कहा जाता है. So here a friend is writing to one more friend called Abha. She is saying on which day it is written, on 26 June 2018. This letter has been written by a friend from Hyderabad. So what is she addressing here? She is saying Priya Saki Abha, means dear friend Abha. तुम्हारा पत्र मिला. So I have received your letter. So Abha has written a letter to her friend. What she has asked in the letter? So this girl is saying that I have got your letter. यह जानकर अच्छा लगा कि तुम गुड़ी पड़वा पर्व के बारे में जानना चाहती हो. So I am very happy that you have asked me what is meant by Gudi Padwa. What is the importance of Gudi Padwa in that particular letter what you have written to me. I am so happy that you are also interested to know about the importance of Gudi Padwa. So she is saying now, she is going to describe about what is meant by Gudi Padwa to Abha. So she is saying here, इस पत्र में मैं गुड़ी पड़वा के बारे में विस्तार से लिख रही हूँ. So in this letter, I am writing a letter now. In this letter, what am I going to do? I am explaining you about the importance of Gudi Padwa, the festival, in detail. Vistar means in detail. I am writing all this about Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is what? It's a festival. Gudi का अर्थ है ध्वज. Means what? She is saying what is meant by Gudi? Gudi is nothing but Dwaj. Dwaj means what? Flag. Gudi it's a flag. और पड़वा means what? का अर्थ तिथि है, this the date. So the date on which what is done? A flag is hoisted. The date on which flag is hoisted is called Gudi Padwa. गुड़ी पड़वा चैत्र मास की शुक्ल प्रतिपदा को मनाया जाता है. When do you celebrate this? It is in the Shukla Paksha. Means what? The month of Shukla. So during that period you celebrate this Gudi Padwa. ऐसी मान्यता है कि ब्रह्मा जी ने इसी दिन सृष्टि की रचना आरंभ की थी. So what is the importance of Gudi Padwa? It is said that on this particular day, what did Brahma do? Brahma is the creator of this, universe, isn't it? So she is saying that Brahmaji, what did Brahma do? He has found the. So what is she saying here? She is saying that, see here. ऐसी मान्यता है कि ब्रह्मा जी ने इसी दिन सृष्टि की रचना आरंभ की थी. So on the first day of the fortnight of lunar fortnight, on the first day of lunar fortnight, Brahma ji of Chaitra Masa, okay, that means it's the month of Chaitra. On the first day of the lunar fortnight, what did Brahma do? Creator of this world. He created the universe. This world was created by Brahma. Because we all just imagine that this world is created by Brahma, isn't it? So it is said that this was the day where Brahma has started creating the universe. The first day of the lunar fortnight. Okay? Means what? Lunar fortnight means what? Amavasya. Understood? And which month it was? In the month of Chaitra. So ऐसी मान्यता है कि ब्रह्मा जी ने इसी दिन सृष्टि की रचना आरंभ की थी. He created this universe. Gudi Padwa, Andhra Pradesh. Where all you celebrate this Gudi Padwa is in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka और Maharashtra का लोकप्रिय पर्व है. So it is very much important. Where all? In Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. इसी पर्व के साथ हिंदू नववर्ष की शुरुआत होती है. So from this day what happens? The new year for Hindus will start. For Hindus this will be the new year. Which day? Gudi Padwa day is the new year for Hindus. See, इसी पर्व के साथ हिंदू नववर्ष की शुरुआत होती है. Starts beginning of the Hindu calendar. इसे वर्ष प्रतिपदा, उगादि, नव संवत्सर और युगादि भी कहा जाता है. So what is it called? It is also called Pratipad. Then it is also called Yugadi. Ugadi also it is called. Yugadi also it is called. Ugadi, Yugadi. Then it is also called Nava Samvatsar. Nava Samvatsara in Kannada. So like that it has got new names, different names. Where for what? For Gudi Padwa. What is Gudi Padwa? It's hoisting the flag on particular date. Which date? On the first day of the lunar fortnight. Which month? Chaitra. Understood? So it is also called as Pratipad, then Ugadi, Navasamvatsar or Yugadi. So it has got different names. Like that, this Gudi Padwa is done. So you find this Gudi Padwa in how many states? Different 3 states. Which are there? It is Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. एक मान्यता के अनुसार इसी दिन भगवान श्री राम ने दक्षिण में रहने वाले लोगों को बाली के अत्याचारों से मुक्ति दिलाई थी. इसी खुशी में हर घर में गुड़ी अर्थात विजय पताका फहराई गई थी. So that is one type of story for Gudi Padwa. What is said here? एक मान्यता के अनुसार इसी दिन. This means there is one more story. What has happened on this particular day? One is about Brahma. He created the universe on this particular day. Next is about here Rama. It is said. What is said here? एक मान्यता के अनुसार इसी दिन भगवान श्री राम ने दक्षिण में रहने वाले लोगों को बाली के अत्याचारों से मुक्ति दिलाई थी. So those who are in the Dakshina means in the southern part, they were all having some problems, tortured by who? Bali. There was a person called Bali. He was not creating so lot of problems with the people there. So Rama came, and Rama, what did he do? He destroyed this person. Who is that person? Bali, on this particular day. That is why that is one more celebration they say in this story. Once again I read. एक मान्यता के अनुसार इसी दिन भगवान श्री राम ने दक्षिण में रहने वाले लोगों को बाली के अत्याचारों से मुक्ति दिलाई थी. So what was he doing? He is troubling everybody. This person Bali was troubling everyone. So what has Lord Rama did? Lord Rama destroyed that person Bali on this particular day. That is why everybody celebrates it as day of victory. Victory means they have got success. इसी खुशी में हर घर में गुड़ी अर्थात विजय पताका फहराई गई थी. So because Rama destroyed this Bali, who was creating so lot of problems with people. So when Lord Rama destroyed him, everybody enjoyed. Everybody were very happy. For that reason also what they have done? They have just raised this flag. They have raised the flag of victory. It is flag of victory. So everybody enjoyed that and everybody celebrated. So let me stop it here, children. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.